Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Kids, today we are going to learn about multiples. First, let us see what are the multiples of any number. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Or in other words, the result of multiplying a number by any number. So we can find the multiples of any number by using this formula. Given number multiplied by any number is equal to its multiple. For example, let us find the multiples of 3. So from the definition, we can multiply the given number 3 with any number and get its multiples. So let us multiply it with few numbers to list off few of its multiples. Here 3 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on gives 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Thus we get a series of multiples by multiplying with the given number by the other numbers. Therefore, we get multiples of 3 as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Now let us learn about properties of multiples. So the first property is every number is a multiple of itself. For example, 5 is a multiple of 5 as 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. Second property is the first or the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. For example, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. Here 2 is the smallest multiple of 2. Third property is every number is a multiple of 1. For example, multiples of 1 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on as 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2, 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3, 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 and so on. Now let us see fourth property. Multiples of a number are countless. For example, multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on. Fifth property is multiples of a number are always greater than or equal to the number. For example, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Here, multiples of 4 are equal to or greater than 4. Now, sixth property is multiples of a number are divisible by the number without leaving any remainder. For example, 27 is a multiple of 3 because 27 divided by 3 gives 9 without leaving any remainder. Now let us find the multiples of a number. Here question is find the first 5 multiples of 6. Let's solve them. From the definition, we can multiply the given number 6 with first 5 number and get its multiples. So let's multiply. 6 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 gives 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Therefore, we get the first 5 multiples of 6 as 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Now let us learn about common multiples. First, let us see what is a common multiple. If a number is a multiple of two or more numbers, then it is said to be a common multiple of all of them. To find the common multiples of two or more numbers, we follow the steps given below. First, list the multiples of the given numbers. Then, highlight or circle the number which occurs in all of them. And then, write the highlighted or circled multiples as the common multiples. Now let us see some examples on the basis of common multiples. So the question is, find the common multiples of 6 and 8. Let us find multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on, and multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and so on. Now notice the list of multiples of both numbers. We can see that numbers 24, 48 and so on in both lists. Thus, common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48 and so on. Now let us learn about least or lowest common multiples. The smallest or first common multiple of two or more numbers is called the lowest common multiple, and it is written as LCM. Now let's see some example on the basis of LCM. Here the question is, find the LCM of 2, 5 and 10. And let's find the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on, and the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Now we can see that 10, 20 and so on are in all the lists. So we can say that the common multiples of 2, 5 and 10 are 10, 20 and so on. From the definition of LCM, the smallest or the first common multiple of two or more numbers is called the lowest common multiple. So here the lowest common multiple of 2, 5 and 10 is 10. Remember the following points while finding the multiples of numbers. First, we get a series of multiples by multiplying the given number by other numbers. Second, the given number and other number are the factors of multiples. Third, the multiple of any number is a set of numbers that does not end. I hope it was easy to learn about multiples. Thank you.